In this video, I'm going to show you how to promote Digistore product. This is going to be for Digistore product for beginners, and I'm also going to give you a hack. This is a Digistore complete hack worth of $13,000. Now we're going to do that in 5 easy steps. Like I mentioned, we're going to do that in 5 easy steps. We are promoting Digistore 24 products for beginners. All right, here are the steps we're going to cover in this video. We're going to talk, of course, about how to promote Digistore 24 product steps. Step number 1. The right way to create an account on Digistore 24 affiliate marketplace correctly. Step number 2, how to promote Digistore 24 products and avoid 98% of mistakes affiliates make. Step number 3, Digistore 24 affiliate marketing products you should avoid. Step number 4, how to make money on Digistore 24. And finally, step number 5, how to promote the best Digistore 24 products as an affiliate marketer. Now let's go ahead and move on here just a little bit. Here's the bonus. I am going to give you the entire Digistore 24 affiliate marketing business completely free. But if you want this bonus, you have to wait to know how to get it. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that we want to do is we want to talk a little bit about the hack. Number 1, I'm going to give you a pre-built Digistore 24 affiliate automated funnel with the best-selling product. Number 2, I'm going to give you a bridge page, landing page, a video sales page for that product, and all that is going to be automated. And also, I'm going to give you automated email sequence as well with a free email autoresponder. Now, this is an autoresponder. This is the same one that I use myself. You're going to have it for free. Of course, I'm going to show you the free traffic, and you're probably wondering, how is that all possible? I'm going to show you how. It's just all possible with one click. You just click and then you import it. And you might think it is hard to be true. No, but all I want from you is, I'm doing all this is because when I first got started, nobody did help me at all. So I'm paying back a little bit. My life right now is completely blessed. So it's always good to give back, and I encourage you to do the same thing as well. Let me go ahead and just move myself a little bit here. What's inside this? I'm going to go ahead and go a little bit step by step. The Digistore 24 tutorial for beginners, I'm going to go ahead and give you an overview. Basically, the whole entire funnel with one click that you're going to receive, it's going to go from Digistore to free traffic, then to an opt-in bridge page. Some people call it opt-in page or bridge page. I like to use both, which is a bridge page and opt-in page. And after that, you're going to end up in the affiliate sales page. All this is going to happen automatically for you, so you don't have to do anything. Even the email sequence is already written, and it will go to your email responder that you're going to receive for free as well. So in order to receive this, you have to wait a little bit later on in the video. I'm not going to have a link in the description area where you can put in. The link is going to be obtained from this video. So if you are watching this video, somewhere in this video, you will see that link, and the link is not that big, because I don't want everybody to get it, because I want only the serious people to get it, not somebody that just want to, spend 1 second and then get what you get. If you are serious about what you want to do, then you can have it for free. And I'm talking about if you are serious about success. All right, let's go ahead and move on. The reason I am doing this is because if I give you just the funnel, it's not going to be enough. You need to know and you need to understand a few things. Number 1 is the right way to create an account on Digistore. Digistore is a big platform. In case you're not familiar with Digistore 24, I'm going to go ahead and talk about it just a little bit. As you can see right here, it's right now around 3 some million. And if you compare that with ClickBank, it is roughly about the same thing. But ClickBank been around for ages, and I'm not going to say one of them is better than the other, but Digistore is a place that you want to do some investing in. What I'm talking about, I am seeing a lot of people from ClickBank posting their products from ClickBank to Digistore as well. All right, let's go ahead and move on a little bit here. In case you are not familiar with affiliate marketing is something very important. Affiliate marketing is basically you are promoting someone else's product. That product usually could be a physical product or could be a digital product, but usually it's always online. So what do? Basically, you promote that product, you don't own that product, and you generate some people to look at it. And if they buy it, you get a portion of their sales price. And then you just repeat that cycle. You just go on and on. Now, what's good about it is that you don't have to create a product. You don't have to deal with the refund. You don't have to deal with making that product and the customer service. So you're skipping all that. Affiliate marketing right now is growing tremendously. Okay, so to create an account on Digistore 24, all you gotta do is go to their main website. All you have to do is click on register right now, and then you have to fill out all this. Now, one thing is that you want to do is just click on affiliate, because you don't want to deal with a vendor. This is if you are making a product, for example, you click on this, and you don't want to deal with that because there are some stuff that will going to pop up there for you. And all you have to do is just create your account for free. Just fill out this information, make sure to give the right information, and you're in. Digistore 24 is available for all countries. Everybody can do it. The second thing is there is no age limit on that. The third thing that is important is that you can get paid with PayPal. Okay, number two, that you want to let them know how you want to get paid. You click on account, you choose payout, and then you end up at this page right here. This is going to be a dollar or anything like that. You're going to tell them, okay, when there is $50 in my account, go ahead and send it to me. Or you can choose something else if you want to. However, you need to put your password up here in order for them to do that for you. And of course, you want to let them know how you want to get paid. For example, is it PayPal or any other option that they have or they might have in the future. Okay, right now we are moving to step number 2, which is how to promote Digistore 24 products, avoiding 98% of the mistakes affiliates make. Yes, there are a lot of mistakes that affiliates make, and I want you to go ahead and avoid that, because this is how you are going to win. Now, we are in the marketplace, and when you click on the marketplace, it's very much like ClickBank, which is they put all the good stuff up there and then you go down to the worst stuff. However, you can just do whatever you want to. If in case you want to look for a product, you can do that. In case you want to look for a vendor, you can do that, or billing type, or whether it's in different language as well. A lot of affiliates, they look at something like this, for example, and they go, whoa, I'm gonna get 85% commission out of this, and what's going to happen is that I'm gonna get $129 per sale. Whoa, that's great. Well, not really. That's not how you choose your product. I taught something similar on ClickBank, which is a little bit more tricky, because they don't show you some of the information that they show you here, which is great. Now, here's the thing. Why would you want to sell anything with a cancellation rate of 12%? The other thing that you want to look at is that if you are a new affiliate, you don't want to pick a product this high, because if you are selling it like this, the price is $150, and if you are a beginner and you're not well known, it's very difficult for other prospect to buy anything from you with that price. So you want to get into with a lower price range and with something that is really good. Now, there are several reasons for us to click on physical product and supplement, because after what's going on in the world, a lot of people, they want supplements. For example, a lot of people gain weight, and a lot of people, they have some emotional issues as well. The one that we want to do should not be too expensive. Pick something that is really good, something like this. Now, it's not too bad. It's not expensive, but look, you are getting 80%, which is about $43.63. And it doesn't take a whole lot. With the funnel that I gave you, it should be a breeze. If you take a look at the cancellation rate, it's only 3%, and the cart conversion is not bad, is 9%. But what's good about it is it does have an affiliate support page. Do not do anything with a product that does not have affiliate support page, because you're going to be having a hard time trying to find a lot of things like videos, banners, email swipes, and so forth. Step number 3, which is there are Digistore 24 product you should avoid. The answer is yes. And like I mentioned before, some people go up to the top and they do some filtering and they go, well, okay, which one pays me the most, and I'll pick it. Think about some other stuff. One of them is like I mentioned, the conversion rate right here is 16%, but look at the cancellation. 33% of the people are going to cancel. So this is totally waste of time, even though I mentioned something about pills and health and diet, but you have to know exactly which one to go for and which one not to. Step number 4, how to make money on Digistore. There are few things have to take place. For example, like I mentioned, the cancellation rate, conversion rate, and there's just something else. Where are you going to be advertising this product? I always suggest free and paid. It's up to you which one you want to do, but you have to marry one thing. If you are doing, for example, if you are doing a product and you're going to advertise it on a free platform like a social media, it must be, that social media must be a native environment for that product. In other words, if you are selling a feminine product, or if you are selling something for females, well, you want to know, because 75% of all females, they do shop on Pinterest. You have to take that in mind as well. You can't just go out there and just blast it all over the place and waste your time and your money. So you want to make sure you are doing that. Now, what I'm about to tell you is something that is very important and very powerful. Don't ever depend on the power of one. If you are following my teaching for a while, you know this is what I believe in. You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. For example, if you are using a free advertising platform, don't just do it on one platform. Do something a little bit different. The way we do it, I always did it. Doesn't matter if I'm working for a client or I'm working with an individual. We always did something different. We always utilized traffic, Digistore 24 or ClickBank. It really doesn't matter, with a 24-hour traffic. And this is targeted traffic. This is a traffic that is exactly for what you are selling. Whatever you're selling, you need to use that. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description because it's very helpful. It doesn't matter if you want to do it on free platform, you have to use that, because without it, it's going to be very difficult to take off. You want to take off and you need a little bit of push, especially in the beginning. Now, I'm going to give you an example of how that looks like. For example, if you are doing it on Pinterest and you are utilizing the 24-hour traffic, what's going to happen is going to go to the bridge page, opt-in page, and it's going to go to the affiliate sales letter. Now, this is how I have it set up in the funnel that I'm going to give you. In case you have not seen it yet, I have already put it up as far as the link. So you want to go back and look for it to make sure that you have that link and you have the access where you can get everything that I talked about for free. And I mean for free. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to buy anything at all. I am doing it because I want to help people, because nobody helped me in the past. Everybody wanted to sell me a course. I'm not selling you a course here. It's up to you whether you want to do it or not, but make sure to put the thumbs up, which is vote. This is how you vote. Basically, you vote, you tell me that you want something like this so I can produce something, or I can make some videos that can help you make money online. So make sure to subscribe, drop a like, or vote with a thumbs up, and make sure to hit that notification button too. We're not done yet. I'm just telling you, I like you go ahead and do that in case you have not done so yet. Like I mentioned, there is one more thing I like to say to you, which is if you are new to this business, which is fine, you don't want to go over a lot of different affiliate marketing networks. All you need is two right now. ClickBank is number one still. However, Digistore 24 is catching up very quickly, and I think it's just going to be a matter of time before it surpasses ClickBank. And if you want to do that, I really encourage you to go ahead and just get into Digistore 24, because in the beginning it's easy to join. Later on they start becoming picky and they start ask for information, and they'll start to have some kind of qualifications. So go ahead and just do it as soon as possible. Step number 5, how to promote the best Digistore 24 products as an affiliate. It's very important to do it right. Of course, we're talking about how to promote Digistore 24 products requirement for success. Number 1, your product must be in one of the following niches, sub-niches, or markets or sub-markets: health, wealth, and relationships. Number 2, do not filter by ranking on Digistore 24 affiliate marketplace. Number 3, promote Digistore 24 products that have low cancellation rate and high conversion rate. Number 4, choose a Digistore 24 affiliate marketing products for beginners with commission rate between $40 and $60. I want to let you know about something that a lot of people maybe don't know, which is if you are maybe promoting on ClickBank or you are promoting on Digistore 24, it really doesn't matter. But there is a psychological reason, or there's a psychological trigger when your affiliate marketing sales, it doesn't matter, sales, I'm not talking about commissions, sales. And that happened with 1,200 of the people that I did work with. When they reached the $10,000 in sales, what happened is that the sky is the limit. They become so confident in their abilities. So make sure, even if you're not really doing very well right now, it's okay. Don't worry about it too much. Just remember that hit that 10,000. And I'm not saying hit that $10,000 maybe in 1 month or so. What I'm talking about is make sure to hit it in a reasonable time. In case you did not find that link, don't worry about it. I'm going to go ahead and tell you exactly where it's at. All you have to do is just click up here where it says earn $13,000 with no skills, Digistore 24 tutorial for beginners. Now, if you also want to know everything about ClickBank affiliate marketing, which I think you should do, make sure to hit that right here. And as usual, I'll see you at the top.